Hello, I'm Eric Barnhill, the president of the General Andrew Pickens chapter of the National Society Sons of the American Revolution. Our society was founded in 1889 and is a nonprofit organization dedicated to promoting patriotism, preserving American history, and promoting education to our future generations. We are here at the cemetery of the Old Stone Church in Clemson, South Carolina, to ask your help in not only honoring one of the true patriots of the American Revolution, but to help us save his resting place where not only General Pickens is buried, but many of his distinguished family are also interred. Let me give you a little history of General Pickens. Born in Pennsylvania in 1739, his family moved to South Carolina in 1764. He was brought up in a family raising cattle and farming. He married Rebecca Calhoun in 1765, and they raised 12 children. He later established Hopewell Plantation just across the river from the Cherokee town of Inigwu, later called Seneca, where several treaties with the Native Americans were signed. Hopewell still stands less than a mile from here and is owned and managed by Clemson University. He served in the Anglo-Cherokee War in 1760 through 61. When the Revolutionary War started, he sided with the rebel militia and was made a captain. He rose through the ranks to the rank of Brigadier General in the South Carolina Militia. His list of engagements during the war is long and represents some of the most famous battles of that war: Kettle Creek, 96, Cowpens, Eutaw Springs, and the Siege of Augusta. General Pickens was elected to the South Carolina House of Representatives in 1781 and the South Carolina Congress in 1793. He was a delegate to the Constitutional Convention, and he served as a Justice of the Peace and a church elder. His sons, Andrew Pickens Jr. was governor, and Ezekiel Pickens was lieutenant governor of South Carolina. His grandson, Francis Pickens, was governor from 1860 to 1862. General Pickens died near Tomassi in Oconee County in 1817. Memorials to General Pickens include Fort Pickens in Florida, named in his honor, as are Pickens County, Alabama, Pickens County, Georgia, the city of Pickens, and Pickens High School in Pickens, South Carolina. So as you can see, General Pickens was a true American hero. General Pickens' gravesite is a hallowed place here in Pickens County, and it has fallen into a state of disrepair over the 204 years since his death. Our chapter, as well as other distinguished donors, have raised over 50% of the funds needed to return the gravesite to a place of honor it once was. Please join us in helping to fund the restoration effort so generations to come can learn about General Pickens, his remarkable family, and the contribution to our great state and country. Our chapter and our society, along with the Daughters of the American Revolution and the many descendants of General Pickens, are planning a celebration of General Pickens on the occasion of his 283rd birthday at the gravesite in September of 2022. So time is of the essence. Thank you for your time today. If you have any questions or would like to contribute to this worthy cause, please see the information at the bottom of the screen.